Oh, there's Lisa. She's probably lost. Hey, Lisa. Oh, you're good. Just come around back. I'm already grilling. Yep, kids are already out. All right, bye.
All right, Evan, be careful, okay? Hi, David. Hey, Paul.
Hey, Lisa. Glad you could make it.
Yeah, thanks for having us over.
Absolutely. You know, the kids can play together. It's a good thing.
Yeah, this would be good.
Just making some hot dogs here.
Sounds delicious.
Well, they look good, too.
Really does. Oh, hey, no, Evan, David, they're kind of on the shed there. Can you be a pal? Can you get down? Yeah, no, that's not safe. Thanks, guys.
These kids. Always trying to do things that they shouldn't do.
Crazy, we were never like that.
No, I mean, they're just not afraid of anything dangerous. Hey, guys, hey, be a pal. Why don't you get off this shed for me, okay? Climb on down. Thanks.
I can't believe it if they didn't listen to me, you know.
I mean, and I've never met any kid who doesn't listen to us.
Right. Me neither. If I say something, usually like...
Strange.
My word is solid, so...
I'm sure they're fine now.
Okay, they are seriously on there. Evan, seriously, get off the shed. Get off the shed, seriously, or you know what? I'm going to send you to Chippewa. That's what I'll do.
You know what? Sometimes.
Don't make me do it.
Sometimes the consequences, that's important.
It really is
important.
If they're not going to listen, I mean, you can go there, you can wear red. Go by me.
Yeah.
Look with your legs now.
Guys! Get off the shed! Get off! If you don't get off the shed, I'm going to drive you out to the desert with nothing but a GoPro so that I can live stream your suffering. Maybe that'll help.
It's pretty serious. But seriously,
I mean, a notch sometimes, you know, it seems to help.
Well, I think it's in the voice too. It's like they really listen to you. Like, and it's like, oh my gosh, Evan, off the shed or I'll put you back in my womb. Yeah, that's where you're going. David, I'll put you there too. I'm right on in.
We're watching.
I mean, at least the high school students listen, because this is ridiculous.
Overall, though, you know, good kids.
I know.
Yeah,
I mean, I don't mind them.
Yeah.
I think I brought Lauren. I don't know though.
You know, probably Matthew. I haven't seen Matthew, so he's little though. He gets hidden behind things a lot.
And we're the second one, so I mean, we're fine.
Turned out just fine.
And we're totally calm.
Like nothing strange about our behavior. Nothing about David. Get off the shed. If you don't get off the shed, I will personally pay for your yearbook for the rest of your schooling career, just so that I can put embarrassing photos of you.
Oh, he will. Not that I have any bad pictures or anything.
Cool. Remember those bad yearbook photos?
Oh my gosh, amazing. I'm so glad I had blue glasses. Those were awesome.
A lot of flannels, if I remember correctly.
I think they're still cool. Oh, speaking of which, channeling my inner Mary Nikai right now.
I was going to ask you, are those leggings?
No, these are yoga pants.
Oh.
They're so different. Why do you guys not get that?
You sure?
Yeah, this is totally, these are yoga pants.
Whatever you say.
Yeah, but you'll let me know if I get too old for this outfit, right?
You mean like later? Yeah, I mean, yeah, of course I would.
Oh, okay.
Of course I would. Yeah,
okay, cool. I wouldn't want to. All right, awesome.
That'll be years.
Oh my gosh, last time! Evan, David, get off the shed. If you don't get off the shed, guess what? I'm going to have the Bradford sisters babysit you, and then you will know fear. Okay? Off the shed.
I love those Bradford girls.
They're just little peanuts, aren't they?
They are.
They're a little funny. Fast. Very fast.
Just pour sweetness out of them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, tough ones, though.
Look at them playing so well.
I know. I think it's because we're so calm.
I think so, too. I think it really has an effect on them.
And I'm always so nice and cheery. I think it really shows in Evan.
It's just who we are.
And Lauren, if she was here. I really don't know where she went, though.
We should probably teach a parenting class.
We should.
I agree.
We'd be great at it.
Yeah. All right, boys. Lunch is ready. And live from Dakota, this is Staff Night Live.